Hey guys, happy Friday. I want to take a few minutes and shoot you a quick video about some thoughts that I've had as we address this coronavirus across our country right now. This is a video only our clients are getting, and I want to talk to you as a planner, as a friend, as someone who we have mutual trust with. First of all, I want to tell you congratulations. You're like, dude, what's up? Yeah, congratulations. Not one client has called the office panicked. It's been amazing, actually. You would think that we were dealing with a lot of panic phone calls, and we haven't received that. In fact, last night I was talking with a client. I said, hey, he goes, Justin, I'm sure you're dealing with a lot of phone calls. And I said, no, we're not, actually. It's kind of surprising. And I said, why do you think that is? And he said, Justin, in my opinion, it's because you and the team have done a great job at educating us for the last period of time. We know our risk number. We know our portfolios are invested to our specific risk number. And you've been warning us, and the team has been warning us. Jim and Jeff and myself have been warning the clients, and Mr. Brand has been warning clients that this is going to come at some point. Now, no one expected it to happen as fast as it did, but we all understand that our portfolios were positioned to our specific risk number. I thought it was a sage wisdom that our client was telling us. So I want to tell you congratulations. It makes me proud as a planner to know that you're not panicking at this point. That's amazing to us. Well, the opposite side has happened. We've had a lot of phone calls with clients calling us, checking on us, checking on the company. They're saying, hey, Justin, Jim, Jeff, are you guys okay? Is your company okay? Are you guys going to be able to weather this as a company? Let me tell you, we're good. We're good. We follow our own advice. We've been preparing for a downturn for some time. The company's financials are prepared. The team is solidified. We are in good shape right now. So I want to let you know, thank you for those nice calls. It means the world to the whole team to hear you checking on us. So I want to tell you thank you and congratulations. The second thing I want to tell you is that right now we have an opportunity in front of us. There's a little bit of opportunity that many of us can take advantage of. So I want to give you a couple points to consider. And if you find yourself in one of these positions, then reach out to us. And we're trying to be as proactive to reach out to all 300 plus households. But if you find yourself in this position, reach out to one of the team members here. The first thing I'll say is that if you are planning on contributing to your Roth IRAs for the year 2020 or for the next few days, almost a week now, week and a half, for last year's 2019, now's the time. The market is significantly on sale right now. The stock market is on sale. The bond market is on sale. We have some things that we can invest in that should give us a good, positive, long-term result. So right now, if you're considering doing a Roth IRA, you may want to do it. If you were going to do a Roth conversion, now's a great time to convert from an IRA to a Roth IRA. And when the market rebounds, you can have those gains in your Roth on a tax-free basis. Another thing that we're doing right now is we're rebalancing as fast as we can. Every single day, Jim and Chris are looking at the portfolios and rebalancing as fast as we can to make sure the portfolios are buying low and selling high. The market is bouncing everywhere right now. So we're rebalancing as fast as we can. Nothing you have to worry about. Another thing we're doing right now that might help you specifically is we are restructuring the non-qualified accounts. You see, for the last 7, 8, 9, 10 years, depending on when you started working with us, we've watched the market consistently going up. So right now, we are in a position to where we can reset the basis of the accounts while minimizing your taxation. And so as we speak, our team is actively looking through the accounts, trying to figure out which ones make the most sense to reset the basis. So there's a lot of opportunity. You know, when life throws us lemons, we can make some lemonade, and I love me some lemonade, I got to tell you. The third thing I want to tell you is this, is that we don't need to change our risk score. I had a few clients call and they say, hey, Justin, should we get a little bit more conservative? I don't want to jump out of the market, but should we get a little bit more conservative? You know, right now is typically not the time when you want to get more conservative, whenever you want to sell a position which is down to move to a position which is safe. It's just not often a wise investment. Now, there's always caveats. We know that. Everybody's situation is different. And we're working on a case-by-case basis to help you make the wisest decisions. The opposite, though, is true. Is if you're within that 5 or 10 year window to retirement, right now, man, you may want to step on the gas. You may want to position your account to be a little bit more aggressive to come out of this downturn in a quicker posture with a little bit more return, perhaps. You may want to adjust the portfolio the opposite direction. You know, Warren Buffett says when people are greedy, be fearful. When people are fearful, be greedy. We have that here in the conference room on the wall. He also makes a statement that I love. He said, Warren Buffett, which I quote a lot because, you know, he's a savvy investor. He made a statement. He said, the market is the most efficient tool known to mankind to transfer wealth from the impatient to the patient. And what I've seen with our client mix right now and with you guys is that you're extremely patient. And because of that, with people that are panicking, your friends, your family members who are panicking in effect, when they sell their positions, they're transferring wealth to you. So I appreciate the fact that we're not panicking. I love the fact that many of you are getting more aggressive, not above your risk score, but putting a little bit more money in equities while they're down. The fourth thing I want to tell you is Chris Stewart, our chartered financial analyst who joined the firm back in January. He and the team of planners have been looking at the portfolios in detail. And what we're doing at this point is Chris has helped us build a recovery portfolio, a portfolio that's positioned to try to help us get out of the market. Get out of this downturn a little bit quicker. So let me explain how that works. Let's make the assumption that you had a risk score of a 60. That's a good assumption we can make. What we have been able to build is a portfolio which has lower cost, a little bit lower risk due to some correlation issues, but it has a little bit more delta or alpha. It allows us a little bit more possibility for return. So we can take a position that was a 60 score, replace it with a new portfolio that's still a 60 score, and when the market turns around, we should be able to come out of this thing a little bit more rapid than we came into it. Now, is that a guarantee? No, it's not. None of us know what the future holds. I don't know how fast this thing is going to take for it to turn around, nor do I know how long a recession could be, if we're going to have one. No one knows. But what I can tell you is that we are actively working to restructure your portfolios for maximum success, all while staying within your particular risk score. The last thing I want to tell you is thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your trust. You know, President Reagan said, trust but verified. And we have trust in you, but more importantly, you trust us. And that is not a responsibility nor a burden that we accept lightly. We thank you for your trust. I spoke to every member of the team. John Gothard, man, he's excited to be serving. Julie Finch is excited to be serving with you. Jim Tatar is excited to serve you. Jeff Cheddar, David Kent, Amy Aarons, every one of us are excited to serve you. Brandon Jordan and Chris Stewart have come in at an unbelievable time, and everybody is here to serve you, our clients, and help you go through this unscathed as much as possible, but more importantly, help you achieve your specific dreams, your hopes, and your aspirations. And I want to tell you thank you for your trust and your confidence in us. Look, if you have any questions, we're here. The team is working as diligently as we can to help position you for success. Again, thank you for your trust. Thank you for your hope. Y'all enjoy the weekend and make it a great day.